Betty here with Carblessly Delicious. Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to share tips for hosting a brunch and show you how you can pull it all together in small spaces, maximizing the space that you have to create an elegant 5-star dining experience for your guests. Tip number 1, add fresh flowers to your table setting. Fresh flowers add such a warm ambiance to any space, and it gives a touch of elegance to your tablescape. Style your table with decorative plate mats, cloth napkins, and plateware to complete the vibe. Number 2, preparation. No matter how large or how small the event, the best practice is to handle all your prep the night before. After planning my entire menu, I can then determine how many platters I'm going to need to display each item. I'll scan through my collection of serving platters, bowls, and accessories to decide which ones I'm going to use for each food item on my list. Create a consistent theme or color scheme. I have my silver and glass serving accessories and also all of my white accessories. Sometimes I'll even mix the two together. Take inventory of your dinnerware the night before to make sure you have enough matching bowls and plates to accommodate the number of guests. Tip number 3, create stations. Setting up specific areas throughout the kitchen helps direct the flow of traffic and helps your guests to easily find what they're looking for. I have a section here in one corner for hot beverages where guests can help themselves to coffee and tea bags, hot water, coffee, a variety of sugar choices, and lemon are made accessible and easy to find and navigate to for my guests. In a separate section, I have a setup for cold beverages above my microwave cabinet. Utilize every ounce of space that you have. In small spaces like this, the ledge that wraps around your breakfast bar makes a perfect place to set up your buffet. As you see here, I like to print out my cards on simple white copy paper that I cut down the size and fold and place in front of each dish so I can easily identify where each food item will be placed. This makes the actual day of the event to work so smoothly as I'm preparing my food and transferring everything over to the buffet. Also, if you have someone helping you prepare the food and setting up, they'll be able to see where everything goes without needing your attention to assist them. And it helps your guests when they arrive to easily recognize what's what and where everything is. Use your counter space for large platters. I'm serving grits and shrimp as the main highlight on my menu, so I wanted to provide individual servings to my guests, which will be served in these crystal bowls using one of my large white ceramic platters as a tray. Usually I would accent the empty spaces around the platter with greenery, such as fresh kale, but I won't be doing that for this particular brunch. And here's how each station turned out as my guests are starting to arrive. everyone's faces and hearing the pleasant sound of laughter and cheer is what makes all of the effort you put into your event worth the energy and time. I just love hosting and entertaining, creating opportunities and occasions to fellowship and share quality time with family and friends. I hope you found these tips helpful and are able to apply them in your next events. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know that it was helpful, and leave a comment below to let me know if you love to entertain as much as I do, and how do you utilize your space for hosting events, whether small or large spaces. And I will continue to upload inspiring videos featuring menu ideas for hosting low-carb and keto-friendly meals for your gatherings. Check out these awesome low-carb recipes, which are uploaded every week. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when I'm uploading videos. Thank you and have a blessed day.